Morning from me and Iris. It is Tuesday. It is raining, I think, in Newcastle. And last night in my street, which I think maybe has 50 or 60 houses, in the summer, someone burnt the house down. Last night, someone else burnt the house down, but at the opposite end. They're all fine. They've got kids, and I saw one of the children walking, older children walking to the ambulance. So nobody was like, maybe some smoke inhalation, but everyone is fine. But what are the chances of two houses in the same street within 6 months of each other going on fire? What are the chances? Apparently I said it's less than 1%. We may be cursed. Let me know how you're doing this morning. Lots of love.